Hello, good morning everyone. I hope you're having a good morning. So today we want to start on a different note. We want to start with a pair that we normally don't look at. We want to start off with the Euro GBP before we move forward to the charts that we normally look at every day. So on this chart, technically, we suppose we are in a sell. You can see that the price somehow is consolidating to the lower side. The price the lower side. Every time the price attempts to move upwards, it keeps getting back up. Every time the price keeps going to the upper side, it went up. So you can see that from this point, you can see we have a very big move. This is a very big move to the lower side. Give me a second. So every time the price attempts to move up, it ends up closing much lower, which means somehow we are still sellers. We should keep looking for sell positions. We expect price to proceed much lower on this chart. So we have this. We have a bearish move. There's a correction. There's a bearish move. Then there's some correction. The price continue down, and then there's this. As I was saying, if the price can pull back up to this level, 104.172, then this should be the ideal place to look for a sell from. That is going to give us the correct place where we want to look for a sell from, expecting the sell to take us up to 102.267. So the next chart which I want us to look at is GBP USD. So disregard the trades you're seeing on my chart, disregard these trades, do not enter them. This chart is upwards. It's very much upwards, although you're seeing I have some sell positions here. These are for some, but overall this chart is upwards here. We had a resistance level. We had a resistance level there. Then the current day's candle is actually above this level. So anytime you have above that level, then the next thing you see is an indecision candle. What that indecision means is somehow we are still upwards. So if you're on this chart now, expect price to proceed up to this level, 1.33818. So if you are looking at this chart now, the British pound chart, expect price to continue upwards. We do expect a momentum much higher. So you keep looking for buy orders. Do not look for a sell now. Keep looking for more buy positions, expecting price to continue to the upper side. The next chart I want us to look at is Brent oil. So Brent oil, so far we still have our lines the way we drew them previously. We had a resistance level here, 43.601. We have a resistance, a support here. So we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, we have a support. We do expect price to continue up, should break beyond 41.774 and then retrace back before it continues up to 43.601. So if you are on this chart now, expect a continuation much higher. Expect price to rise beyond this level. The first one is 41.774. Expect price to break above, retrace back, then continue up to the next one, which is 43.601. The next target, the next chart took a buy while the price was here. We've seen price continue up to our take profit, which was fixed here. We had the first take profit here, the next one, and then the last one is at 3581.0. So we want a breakout. We want price to rise and close beyond this zone. We want price to rise and close above 3588.2, then retrace back before it can continue upward. So if you took a buy with us here, you're supposed to have had your first take profit hit. The next take profit also has been hit, almost being hit. So expect a breakout after this, after the take profit has been hit here. Expect price to break above, then retrace back before it continues to the upper side. So the last chart for the day is gold. So gold is upwards. You remember what we said last week? We had our level here. We didn't expect price to break above it, but the price ultimately closed above. So what we want to happen now is for price to retrace back up to 1929.89. We want price to retrace back up to that level so that we pick a buy position, expecting that buy to take us up to 1972.92. So expect a retracement, then a continuation up to this level, where if the price goes above, the next level is 2005.82. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's session. We'll meet again tomorrow at the center. So thank you. See you.